Angus McKinnon Young, born the 31st of March 1955, is an Australian musician, best known as the co-founder, lead guitarist, songwriter, and the only continuous member of the hard rock band AC/DC. He is known for his energetic performances, school uniform-style stage outfits, and his own version of Chuck Berry's Duck Walk. Young was ranked 38th in the 2023 edition of Rolling Stone's 250 Greatest Guitarists of All Time list. In 2003, Young and the other members of AC/DC were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Angus McKinnon Young was born on the 31st of March 1955 in Glasgow, Scotland. In the 1950s, Young's father, William Young, his mother, Margaret, maiden name also Young, and his elder 7 siblings lived at 6 Scarivore Road in the Cranhill district of Glasgow in Scotland. Cranhill was a tough, working-class suburb with high unemployment. Prior to moving to Cranhill, William worked first as a wheel boy in a rope works and then as a machine saw operator in an asbestos cement business. In 1940, William joined the Royal Air Force, serving in World War II as a flight engine mechanic. After the war, William worked as a yard man for a builder and then as a postman. Margaret was a housewife. Young spent the first 7 years of his life in Scotland. His siblings were Stephen Crawford, Margaret, John, Alexander, William, George, and Malcolm. Music was part of family life. Stephen played the piano, accordion, and the piano. Young's sister Margaret was passionate about music. John played the guitar. Alexander was an accomplished singer, bass guitarist, and saxophonist who in the early 1960s left for a career in music in Europe. And George and Malcolm eventually became founding members of the Easy Beats and AC/DC respectively. Stephen was the father of Stevia Young, who in later years took over from Malcolm in AC/DC. Young himself took up the guitar at the age of 5 or 6, receiving 1 lesson from Alexander, after which he was self-taught. Young also learned how to fight on Cranhill's tough streets and, on one occasion, was struck by a car. Prompted by the winter of 1962-1963, the worst winter on record in Scotland, and TV advertisements offering assisted travel for families to emigrate to Australia. The Youngs flew from Scotland to Sydney, Australia, in late June 1963, when Young was 8 years old. John migrated to Australia separately from his parents and siblings, while Alexander was the only child to remain in the UK. Initially staying at Villawood Migrant Hostel, a site later developed as Villawood Immigration Detention Center in Nissen Huts, brother George met and became friends with another migrant, Harry Vanda, a relationship that grew into their professional careers in music. Young's family moved into a semi-detached house at Burleigh Street in the Sydney suburb of Burwood. The house was demolished in December 2024, despite being on the National Trust list of historic homes since 2013. Young attended Burwood Public School from 1960 to 1966, and in 1967, attended Ashfield Boys High School, dropping out at age 15. While at high school, Young enjoyed only the art classes. He practiced the guitar in his bedroom after school. After high school, Young worked at various jobs, including night shifts at a butcher shop. Then he became an apprentice printer. For 1 week, a soft porn magazine called Ribbled moved into the print shop where Young worked. Young set some type for that magazine, but despite some claims, was never its employee. Young first started playing on a banjo, restrung with 6 strings. Young's first guitar was a cheap acoustic model purchased second-hand by his mother. After high school, and with a pay packet, Young bought his first Gibson SG secondhand around 1970 from a music shop just down the street from his home. I got out and got a Gibson SG that I played until it would rot because so much sweat and water got into it. The whole neck warped. I bought it secondhand. It was about a 67. It had a real thin neck, really slim, like a custom neck. It was dark brown. Personal life. Young has been married to Ellen Van Locken, who is Dutch, since 1980. They have no children. They own homes in Australia, the UK, and the Netherlands. Although a heavy smoker, Young is a teetotaler and has been his entire life. On the 24th of August 2006, Young received Kerrang! And AGAZINE's Legend Award from the editor, Paul Brannigan, who called AC/DC one of the most important and influential rock bands in history. On the 16th of May 2012, he was named the best Australian guitarist of all time in a poll conducted by Australian Guitar Magazine. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.